Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be reacting to another Jessie J song. And the song is entitled Killing Me Softly with His Song. Killing Me Softly with His Song. She sang this song to a Chinese reality show, I think, the singer. And I think she will be doing great here. So without further ado, let's go and watch the video. Effortless. Baby. Wow. She's standing now. The ad-lib. Whoa! Like wow! what I like with Jessie J is that her vocal ability is out of this world. She's so sexy, the way she sings songs, very emotional, the feeling is there. You can't help it but to listen. You can't make any move because her voice has captured you. Jessie J is one of the most powerful singers in the whole world, together with Soya and Glennis Grace, with Katrina Velarde. Those people were so talented and just like that. I enjoy it, I like it, and it was very, very brilliant. And that's it. So if you have any videos you want me to react, or anything you want me to do, don't forget to drop a comment down below, like and subscribe, press the like button, and smash the subscribe button. That's it. Bye!